This is an experience unlike most others. Welcome to the Amazon. Here lies more than just a jungle. It's a place where life thrives in ways most of us cannot even imagine. A place that will reshape your entire worldview. In the simplicity of this beautiful part of the world, I found a richness that many of us have forgotten. It's a reminder that true wealth does not lie in what we possess, but in our connections to one another and to the world that lies around us. As I reflect on my journey here, I realize that it's not the adventures we seek, but the meaningful connections we forge that enrich our lives. Join me as I discover what lies at the heart of the Amazon.
Welcome to the world's most remote city. Hello.
Welcome. My name is Alexander.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to
I'm
Kinos.
good, yeah, I'm good. Okay, so I just got off the plane and I'm here with my guide, Alexander, who will be with me for the next 4 days. So we're here in Iquitos. Is it true that this is the most remote city in the world?
It's considered the most remote city and the most populated city in the world without having highway access.
So he's one of the guys where I'll be staying at Currasow Amazon Lodge. And are you from Peru?
I am from Peru. I am from Iquitos, but I don't live here in the city. I belong from an ancestral native tribe called Cayman. So my first language is native. It's Cayman. I can introduce myself in my language, which is Tachira, Alex, Taimiti Mukwika, welcome Usurpaki.
Wow, that's so cool.
But I feel so proud to be part of the Cayman tribe.
That's amazing. So we have about an hour car ride to the
San Joaquin. San Joaquin is a village.
And then when we get there, we get on a boat and we go about an hour and a half to the lodge.
It's about an hour and a half all right downstream Amazon.
All right, so we have arrived at the lodge, just got off the boat, and now we're gonna walk up to where I'm staying. Buenas tardes. Is this for us?
This is a welcoming drink.
Wow, look at this.
For you.
World-class service.
And here we have, let me introduce to you Julius. Julius is one member of the staff of the Curassow Lodge. He's gonna giving you service to you.
All right.
Looking somebody.
The man to know.
He can speak English also to
Okay.
communicate. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Welcome.
Yes. Alrighty, time to check out the room and where I'm staying. Okay. Oh, very cool. So it's like a private bungalow.
Just for you, sir. You have a nice balcony.
Balcony, water, bathroom. Sweet. Yeah, this is awesome.
The Jungle Symphony.
Jungle Symphony. Okay, amazing.
Time to get some rest before an action-packed day tomorrow.
Good morning. Just slept great. How about you, Alex?
Perfect.
Yeah, no earplugs, just the sound of the jungle. So we're wasting no time, jumping right into our first activity this morning. We're heading on this boat here. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're out here and
Buenos
we're gonna
dias.
try to talk to some of these local fishermen here. Can you ask him what he's fishing for?
Yeah.
Él me pregunta, dice, ¿qué es lo que estás pescando?
Carachama.
This is the carachama, the name of the
catfish?
fish. Yeah, it's also a type of catfish. Yeah, he has a lot.
How often does he come out here?
Una vez por semana.
He comes once a week.
Once a week. And then about how many fish does he catch when he comes out?
pescados y pescas en ese cuando vienes.
Así 400.
Yeah, he fishes 400. of this
400?
fish, yes.
In one day?
En un día.
4 o 5 horas.
Yeah, in 4 or 5 hours.
Wow.
Yes,
100 an hour.
100 an hour.
That's so cool. And is he from here?
Eres
And
de,
in the
de la
village?
zona, del pueblo.
Sí.
Yeah, he's from the village.
That's
Yes.
so cool.
Me,
Does he live a good life?
me pregunta si te gusta, dice, vivir por aquí.
Sí.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
They're small.
Small, they can grow a little bit bigger. The name is carachama. Carachama by locals, but it's a type of catfish. And also in English is known as the armor catfish.
Armor
You can touch the scale. It's like an armor protection.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How does he go about catching them? Like, what's his technique? What does he use for bait? And then how does he pull them in?
Me pregunta dice, si tienes alguna carnada o cuál es tu técnica dice, para pescar. La malla,
La malla.
fishing net.
Fishing nets.
Fishing net. You see, this is one over here.
And they get just stuck up in the net and
Yes, it's a
Interesting.
very hard work thing because it's very hard,
Yeah.
tough, you know.
so no bait.
No bait.
Wow. Es un placer conocerte. Okay, gracias.
Yes.
So you're buying some of the fish from them?
Yes, so you will try it.
Oh, we're gonna eat it.
Yes, you will eat.
Oh, sweet.
most local.
And how much for one fish?
In the market, one piece of fish is costing like 7 cents. It's like almost one sol.
Not even a soul.
Not even a sol. Swampy ponds.
Okay, that was cool getting to interact with those people. Do they care that, like, I'm here, the tourism?
No, they are very. This is a touristic area.
Okay.
They are very friendly.
So
Like
they
all
enjoy
the-
that
yeah.
interaction.
Yes, they enjoy. They were very happy, and all the people here in the Amazonia are very hospitalary. I would call it very
Hospitable,
friendly.
yeah.
Yeah, hospitable. Yes.
Very cool.
On our way to the spot, Alexander somehow spotted this sloth way up in the tree climbing down, which apparently is a pretty rare thing to see at this time of day. But I was able to put my drone up and get some pretty cool shots of this sloth climbing down this tree.
This is the right time to find a sloth, because in the midday or in the afternoon they are hidden. Very lucky today.
All right. What are you most passionate about out here?
I like birds. I like the plants, the jungle walk. I like the primates. I like the environment in general. I like to take care of it. I like to transmit this wisdom
To other
the
people.
jungle to other people.
So you like it all?
I love it.
Now we're going back into the jungle.
You can support this all weight. The scientific name for the tree is Pachira aquatica.
This is me with a termite's nest, letting the termites onto my hands and then smashing them together to make a natural bug repellent.
It's wild.
So this is some kind of worm that is in this acorn-like thing, and you can eat them.
But in this way, it's going to be edible for human being also. The example.
No way.
Coconut cream. Go, Jordan.
He is not sure either.
Your turn. Your turn.
It tastes like, I'm gonna spit it out, I bet.
You will like it for sure.
No. Coconut? No way.
How does it taste?
It's like sour.
About a minute after this, we stumbled upon a snake.
Okay, we've finally seen a snake. What kind of snake is this?
It's a red-tailed boa.
Red-tailed boa.
Constrictors, like, constrictor boa.
Wow. The tail is so cool. And now he's gonna try to hold it?
Yes.
Oh God. What if they bite you?
It's not poisoning. It can injure, it can infect, but no more than that.
Okay, that's
So
good.
Just give a bit pain, no more than that. Yes.
You guys are so brave.
Ya está. Igual que la boa normal, eh?
No way.
Yeah. Jordan the
Oh,
brave man.
yeah, he is. Look at the teeth.
Yes, got strong teeth.
Wow.
Can touch. Look at this pure of muscles. Pure of muscles. Strong.
So cool. The tail is so neat.
Look at the colors. So it's a female.
Wow. So what are you taking?
The heart. I'm looking for the heart.
That piece there?
It's even inside there. More inside.
That's it right there?
Here's the heart.
Wow.
This whole thing is edible.
You could eat it right now.
You can eat it right now if you feel like.
So you just eat it?
One heart.
Tastes pretty good.
Some firm.
Tastes similar to yuca.
This is the most painful insect of the Amazon rainforest. The name is bullet ant, Amazon bullet ant. Scientific name Paraponera clavata. If you get bit, it can make you throat, vomiting, so much pain, and high temperature, fever.
Wow.
And after seeing that, we headed back to the boat.
Okay, so we're back on the boat. We saw just about everything back there.
Yeah.
A snake, monkeys. We saw a bullet ant, which was pretty cool. So yeah, that was pretty awesome.
Successful, great success.
Very successful, yeah. The snake was probably the coolest thing.
Yeah.
So now,
Red-tailed boa was the name. Red-tailed boa.
reptile boa. So now we head back where? To the lodge?
We
or-
are heading back to the lodge. We are taking some little break and preparing the food. We are
Okay.
making the soup from the prehistoric fish.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah,
We're gonna use the
catfish.
catfish and cook up our lunch.
Ricardo's house. Yeah? Ricardo's area.
Okay, so now we have our catfish, and Ricardo, the chef, is going to be cooking this up. Pull the guts out.
¿Te gusta o te encanta?
Me encanta.
He loves it.
He loves it. And this is your favorite.
I like it, yes. The soup taste flavor is delicious, the best. So good for nutrients.
Wow, you just put it in there whole.
Yes, the water. It's very authentic food. It doesn't have much condiments.
Hmm.
It's all kind of natural. Sopa de carachama.
How do you approach this?
Yeah, we need to peel first the.
You have to peel.
Here is the scale. Once you peel, you will find some meat on it. Delicious. Bon appetit.
It's interesting.
Interesting, but it's very common here in the Amazonian house for breakfast usually. Yuca
They have this for breakfast.
breakfast often.
This is traditional, like all over the Amazon, or just this region?
All over the Amazon.
Wow.
Peruvian
Amazon.
I bet they like in the Brazilian part too.
Let's go with the lime.
How did he cook it or just sort of shave it?
Into here.
After lunch, we rested for a bit and then headed right back to the dock.
Okay, so we're going swimming.
We're going to swim on the Amazon.
Alrighty, it's so hot and it's very, very humid, as many of you probably could guess, in the Amazon. This is the hottest part of the year, right?
The hottest part of the year. Yes.
Yeah, so it's been a constant sweat the whole day, so I'm gonna go cool off in the Amazon. Back on the boat.
Buenas tardes.
Okay, so we're here with more local fishermen.
They live on the village called Ayacucho Tipisca.
So they're from a
From
local village. And what are they fishing for? Is this perch?
¿Qué pescados están pescando? Dice.
Carachama.
Bochico.
Carachama is the catfish.
The same catfish?
And this is sucker fish. It's called
Yeah.
boquichico. This is boquichico.
Boki chica, kind of looks like a perch. Do they enjoy life out here in the Amazon?
Dice que les gusta vivir por aquí.
Sí,
See?
ajá. Lo mejor que hay en la selva.
That's the best we can have, he says.
The best we can have.
Hermoso, lindo.
Okay.
Ajá.
I'm telling them that you are popular. You're gonna show them
I'm
video.
Okay, ciao. Muchas gracias.
Gracias, maestra.
Chao.
So we're out on the Amazon River right now, and you were saying earlier this is the lowest the water has ever been
Yes,
Here.
in history.
in history. And when will the water level start to rise back up?
And the rainy season starts in December, and in March and April, May is going to be the highest.
So not for a while.
Yeah, it's taking like 2 more months.
Wow.
In half of October, reaching to November, the rain starts to back up. It's going to be raining like once, maybe twice a week.
Okay. But it rises like quite a bit, as you can see here on some of these banks, the water levels. So pretty shallow right now, I guess. All right, now we're going swimming in the Amazon River. This is pretty cool. Time to jump in.
We are going to swim in the mightiest rivers and in one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, my Amazon River.
Yes,
Enjoy
sir.
it.
All right, we're in the Amazon River swimming. Feels great. How often do you swim in here?
Back home, I swim in the river.
Well, yeah, you take a shower in the river.
Sometimes. Very used to it.
It feels amazing. It's pretty surreal to be here. You only see pictures online, but when you're actually standing here, taking all this in, it's pretty amazing. It's hard to believe that I'm in the Amazon. It feels like I'm in the Amazon. It just feels right. And it's so cool to be experiencing this. This is one of my favorite days of traveling in all of South America. It's just such a cool experience.
On our way back, as the sun set, we were lucky enough to see a family of capybaras, which is the largest rat in the world. People spend days searching for these, so we got very lucky to see a whole family. We then got very close to a Cayman, and Alexander picked the thing up.
Ah, yeah.
No way.
Here we got. This is a spectacle Cayman. It's a baby one. Must be like maybe 4 or 3 to 4 years old. You can see.
Will he bite you?
He can bite you. He can hurt you and make it infect because it's saliva. It has like parasites kind of that make it infect and make it very painful.
All right, we're back from a successful outing. Time for some dinner.
To get energized.
Yes, sir.
We love the energies. Would you like some, right? Oh, sure. Yeah.
After dinner, I threw on the boots again and got ready to go for a night walk through the jungle.
Okay, so we just had a great dinner, some chicken, rice, and fresh watermelon juice. Now we're gonna go on a jungle walk.
Yeah, we are looking for the insects of the Amazon.
Does he ever get scared out here?
No, he's not scared at all. The insects and frogs or beetles, the big insects. There's another one.
What's that?
That's a millipede.
Millipede.
Peruvian, so it's endemic from the Amazon.
Oh shoot, he went in the hole.
Here I have termites on my hands.
Termite on his hand.
Yeah, and termite it's a very important resource for the locals. If you are lost in the jungle, if you don't have anything to eat and survive, you just grab some of them and eat it. It tastes very good. It has a unique flavor. I'm just gonna say it tastes like white chocolate. You should try
yeah,
it.
sure.
You should try and come into the jungle and find out. You can try if you want. Huh?
No way. No way I'm eating that.
Come on, baby. Yes, I can. Yeah, big watch.
Now he's curious.
Got him. Very strong.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't matter.
Wow. Look at him.
It's releasing.
What's he pissing?
Yes.
Ew.
Feel attack. Ahí va a llorar.
Ew.
It's gonna cry like a baby. Déjale. Okay, leave it. They have no time to make a nest all day.
All right, that's a wrap. That was fun. We saw 4 tarantulas, a bunch of other spiders, a shit ton of ants,
Yes, we saw the frogs,
frogs, and
Double
2
frog.
possums.
2 opossums.
Yeah, so that was fun. All right, just get back to the room. What an incredible day. Just so much to see here, so much to do. Every experience that I've had has just been so eye-opening. It was just one of the best days I've had traveling in all of South America. I just don't have enough good things to say, but I'll tell you what, I am exhausted. So I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. I'm gonna make this into a 2-part series. So that's gonna conclude today. I'm gonna hop in bed here, get some sleep, and pick it up tomorrow, and we're gonna start another video. So hope you enjoyed the first part of this Amazon series. Stay tuned for part 2 from right here at Currasow Lodge. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.